You know, I always think that wheels make the look of a car, and on the bus, these are pretty rubbish. There's some sort of plastic insert there that's all beat up. The hubcaps are in the back of the car vehicle when I got it, and they're all beaten up. And I mean, the one on the back there hasn't even got the white wall on it at all. So time to get it fixed. So this is the trick, just to break the tyre from the rim. We're just going to back the car up, use that piece of wood as leverage. So off you go, babe. Up you come. There she goes. Go on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Bit more. Bit more. Bit more. Stop, stop, stop. That's it, and it's gone. Super, come forward then. Lovely. Thank you. Bye. Okay. So I bought a set of these, just like a rubber insert, just to replace the old broken ones. I've never seen anything like this before, but apparently that's on out the buses, that's what you do. So I'm just going to pour a little bit of soapy water around the edge to start with, so that when we get the air in, we can just inflate it and get a decent seal on, and slide this thing round, and it should just go on. There we go, in you go. That's it. Let's make sure it's even, pretty even all the way around. That looks okay. And just this one's a front, so that's 28 psi for this one, and then just inflate. And it's as simple as that. Oops, we should get that on. Should be. There we go, that's better. And off it goes. Simple. And that'll just seal up. There we go. So now I've repainted the hubcaps. So I put some of this stuff, some 2-part epoxy primer on to start with, not that back. And I've used some chrome paint. So this is a really cheap way to get, I think it's quite a reasonable quality job, just to tidy those hubcaps up. Next job is to refit some clips onto the wheel ring, using just a few of those pot rivets. I've drilled out the old, just what was the remains of the clips that were on there, and now I'm just going to fit these new ones. And there you go, another super easy job that anybody can do, just to give your bus a little bit of an uplift. Very pleased.